This is Remy. And this is Kit. They both love to fish. Remy has the latest and greatest tools for the job. A top-of-the-line rod and reel and a super-duper fish detector. Kit loves the second-hand rod they found in a thrift shop. Both Remy and Kit fish at the same spot. Remy doesn't seem to be having much luck, but Kit is catching loads of fish. What's the difference? What's Kit doing that Remy isn't? It's simple, really. Kit is using the right bait. Just like with fishing, learning design has loads of theories and models you can use, not to mention the fads. But the one thing these theories all have in common is starting with engagement, which is a lot like finding the right bait. When it comes to attracting an audience's attention, it isn't fancy tools or toys that win the day. It's creating a connection to your audience's needs and wants that will have them wanting to learn more. Training needs to quickly convince learners of its relevance in their life and give them ways to connect on a personal level, whilst interactions and quizzes serve a purpose. A good learning hook can often be the difference between capturing someone's attention or a forgettable experience. So, are you a Remy or are you a Kit? If you're putting together some training and would like to know more about learning hooks, get in touch. For us, it's the name of the game.